Now shifting focus, in the fight for Delhi's green lungs, the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, asked tough questions to the DDA, and this invariably means the Delhi LG, as V.K. Saxena is also the DDA chairman. Now, the top court asked what steps were taken as remedial measures and what action had been taken against erring officers. The top court also told the LG to initiate criminal prosecution against those who were involved in and had allowed the felling of nearly 1,100 trees for the widening of a road, which connected Chhatarpur with the South Asian University. The trees were part of an eco-sensitive area of the ridge. And the LG has also been told to file a personal affidavit in connection with the felling. Now, previously, the top court had come down heavily on the DDA, asking why exactly the felling had been hidden, even as tree cutting is now allowed without permission. Crossing over to my colleague Harish to get more on this now. Harish, over to you.
Yes, that's right. In fact, it pertained to the illegal felling of trees in Delhi's Ridge area. Supreme Court has sought personal affidavit from the Delhi LG in the capacity of DDA chairperson and directed criminal prosecution of officials who had aided in the felling of the trees despite the Supreme Court restraint order of 1996. And said, before we take action, we want DDA to take action. Let the chairperson wield his authority. And following details have been sought from the LG. Was there any information on discussion regarding permission for cutting the trees? When was he informed that permission is needed? Was not the LG aware that trees had been felled even before application was filed in Supreme Court seeking permission? And what steps was taken as remedial measures? What action against erring officials, since order was there to preserve pristine nature of bridge? Whether any disciplinary proceedings initiated against them, and if criminal action as such chairperson be taken against officers, and if criminal prosecution be taken against officials responsible for breach of binding directions of the court. And therefore, a big direction coming in from the Supreme Court asking the LG to file a personal affidavit regarding details and also directing prosecution of all those relief officials who had aided in cutting these trees, and said that before we take action, the LG should take action and LG should wield this power. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us and getting